ביאור משנה ג' an explanation of Mishnah Gimel, של בית Rabban Gamliel, it says all the students of Rabban Gamliel had a different custom. Not different. They used to act differently. How? כל אחד מבית רבן גמליאל, it says each one from the students of רבן גמליאל, ויש מפרשים, השליח שהביא את השקלים מבית רבן גמליאל, or the messenger that he brought the money from the yeshiva of רבן גמליאל, היה נכנס ללשכה ביום שהתורם בא לתרום אותה. He used to bring the money in the day, in the designated day, not 2 days before, in the designated day he used to be there. Why? ושקלו בין אצבעותיו וזורקו לפני התורם. He used to lift it up between his fingers and he gave it in the guise of Torah. In other words, he's telling him, I don't leave my money inside. I want my money to come to the kupot outside. That's what he says. I want it to be used right now. Don't leave it for my money. Even though it doesn't matter, it becomes the temple's money. I know it becomes the I want my coin, even though it's not mine anymore. I want my coin that my coin will be used for the buying of the coin. That's right. That's right. In other words, because otherwise it can stay in there. Okay? That's right. So he used to be on the day to make sure that it's going to happen this way. In other words, he used to put his money on the top, so that the guy will. והיה זורק את השקל מבין אצבעותיו לבין התורם. He used to throw the coin from his fingers in front of the guy who used to give the money into the box that will go outside. שיכניסהו לתוך הקופה. He said, here, take this one, put this in one. I just donated, put the donated one into the box you're taking outside to buy the sheep. והתורם מתכוון ודוחפו לקופה. And the תורם, the guy who's responsible for all the money, has to have a kavana, and he pushes it into the kupa. כדי שיהיה שקלו בתרומת הלשכה ויביא ממנו קורבנות ציבור ולא ישתייר בלשכה. And he had that meaning that this coin is going to go first out into the real one. אין התורם תורם את הלשכה, the one who's designated for the monies, the bank teller, he doesn't give תרומה את הלשכה, עד שיאמר להם, until he tells to them, לשומרים העומדים בחוץ, to the guards who are standing outside, etrom. He asks them, should I donate? Should I donate? כלומר, האתרום, והם אומרים לו, and they tell him back, תרום, תרום, תרום. That says, go, go, go. You can donate. Yeah. 3 פעמים. שכן דרך לשון חכמים לומר בחגון זה, this is the way of the sages to say in this language, 3 פעמים, 3 times, כמו שמוצאים מקצירת העומר. Like we learned already קצירת העומר. It says to cut, and they tell him cut, cut, cut. To put, and they tell him put, put, put. If you remember, we learned קצירת העומר. וכן בחליצה. Also the same things, laws goes in חליצה. יש גורסים, there are those who says, והם אומרים לו, and they tell to him, תרום, 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 3 פעמים. They tell to him, donate, donate, donate 3 times. ופירוש הדברים שהתורם היה אומר, which means like this, that the guy, the bank teller used to say, etrom, should I donate? והם אומרים לו, תרום, תרום. And they tell him twice, donate, donate. ואחר כך חוזר ואומר, etrom. And then he says, okay, I will etrom. והם אומרים לו, תרום, תרום. And they tell him again, twice, תרום, תרום. כן בפעם שלישית. Also 3 times. So it's not just 1 time, etrom, etrom, it's 3 times, and they repeat twice. ומה שהוא אומר etrom, והם היו אומרים תרום, תרום, and the fact that he said etrom with an aleph, and should I, or etrom, I am going to, whatever you want to say it, and they would say donate, donate, ולא אומרים, ולא היו אומרים תרום, פעם אחת בלבד. How come they used to say it twice and not once? שכן הוא דרך הדיבור. Because this is the way people talk. שהשואל אומר הדיבור פעם אחת, והמשיב משיב לו פעמיים. That was the way. של jump, jump, jump. That's the language. כדומה לזה מצינו בקידוש החודש, the same way we find in sanctifying of the moon, ראש בית אמרין אומר מקודש, the אב בית דין, the head of the בית דין says it is holy, it is been sanctified, וכל העם ענים אחריו מקודש, מקודש. And all the nation used to say, it's holy, it's holy. וכן דרך בני אדם מדבר, שאחד אומר לחברו, היפה דבר זה בעיניך? This is the way of the people. Some say, you think it's nice? So yeah, nice. V'unei yafe yafe. It's very, very nice. It's double nice. That's the way the language is. In other words, that's the way people used to talk. Not because there's any importance. In the Ktsira, I think there's an importance of 3 times. Over here it says, it's not because that was the way people used to talk. No. Rabban Gamliel is the one who used to give the man.
He wanted
the first one.
They all said,
yeah.